So one of my favorite aspects about the VanDOit are the bike fork mounts. What I'm talking about are these mounts, okay? And utilizing our T-Track system, which I'm sure you know a little bit about, these little mounts actually slide in to the T-Track. Like that, okay? Tighten down. And then you can mount a bike. You wanna loosen it, you can slide back and forth. Put it wherever you want to. For different size bikes, you want to stagger them so you can fit more bikes in. Awesome. Tighten it down, and you've got a mount. This is what we've done with this one. This is a 100mm mount. And what's really nice is whenever you have multiple bikes in here, and in order to get more bikes in, you put the front fork here, and then you can put a front fork there, and you can utilize the gear slide system to pull this out so that it makes unmounting your bikes way easier. And so there are 100mm mounts. We have 110mm mounts, which is kind of a boosted mount, boosted fork, just a little bit bigger. And those are both mountain bike. 100mm usually a road bike, as well as mountain bikes. And then we also do 150mm, and that's for usually a fat tire. And then also skewers. So all of these come with skewer mounts. As you can see right here, you can take this piece off and it actually just turns into a skewer mount. So if you have a bike that doesn't have through axles but just has skewers, this is what it's for. You can use it for really any bike. And the bed system allows you to raise and lower depending on the size of your post. If you don't want to take your post off, you don't want to mess with it, you don't have to. You can just raise the bed up. But if you don't mind taking your post out and you want to sleep with a lower and not have to change any size of your bike, then you can do that too.